Hi everyone, my name is Shannon Mumenthaler. I'm an associate professor in the Department of Medicine and Biomedical Engineering at the University of Southern California. I am one of the co-chairs of the Tumor Metabolism meeting that's going to be hosted in March 2025 in Vancouver, and we hope you all will join us. We were really wanting to present a meeting that dove deep into our understanding of metabolic contributions that both originated from the tumor as well as the microenvironment. And so there's been extensive research that's looked at the metabolic mechanisms of tumor cells, but there's been this gap in really our understanding of both the local and systemic influences of the microenvironment. Yeah, I think we wanted to really take a systems level view and bring innovative technologies and model systems as well as novel computational approaches to address the intricacies of tumor metabolism. So I think it really is bringing a diverse group of researchers together with various different backgrounds to better understand the influences of the microenvironment on tumor metabolism. One of the things that we really wanted to focus on is highlighting areas where we can target tumor metabolism from a therapeutic angle that have been promising, but also really dig into some of the challenges that are that have been faced in the past, and how do we kind of leverage those findings and that knowledge to have increased success in future translational opportunities. And so we have a number of kind of workshops and sessions to really dig deep into that. One other area that we really want to bring to bear is the fact that we want to highlight the health disparities and equity in the type of research that we're doing. And so we have a keynote speaker that will talk to this, as well as roundtable discussions. We're very excited and eager to have as much participation in this meeting as possible. And so please note we have our December 10th deadline for abstracts, and this is also for short talks. And in case you missed December 10th, you can also submit abstracts up to February 20th, and those would be for poster presentations. I think what's really exciting about this meeting and what I'm hoping people will be able to take away from it is the fact that we're looking at tumor metabolism across scales. And so oftentimes we focus in one area, but for this particular meeting, we wanted to cover things all the way from kind of intracellular signaling to cell-cell interactions within the microenvironment, all the way up to really the systemic metabolic changes that are happening, such as diet and cachexia. One of the key aspects of our scientific content is focusing on the microenvironment and the macro environment. And in order to do that, we need new biological systems that are more physiologically relevant to the tumor as well as to the human body. And in addition to that, also bringing computational models and approaches to the table so that we can really start to scale the hypotheses that we may have and testing those in silico. One of the really, exciting aspects of a Keystone meeting is the fact that we're really bringing together a rich diversity of scientific backgrounds and training to the meeting. And in this case, for the tumor metabolism meeting, we're bringing physician scientists as well as basic researchers. They span the fields of biology and physical scientists. We also have representation from international and domestic locations. So it's really kind of the lineup of speakers and hopefully attendees reflects this inclusivity and diversity of scientists that are needed really to push this field forward. We're really excited to have everyone together in Vancouver in March 2025. Come discuss convergent approaches and explore new ways of thinking about tumor metabolism, ranging from fundamental to clinical implications.